Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to cook an egg in a stainless steel pan. First, place your pan over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the pan to heat evenly, preventing sticking. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter or a high smoke point oil. Swirl it around to completely coat the bottom and sides. This crucial step ensures a non-stick surface for your delicious egg. Once your pan is perfectly prepped, it's time for the star of the show. Gently crack 1 large egg directly into the center of the pan. Immediately reduce the heat to low. This prevents the bottom from overcooking while the top sets. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the egg whites starting to turn opaque around the edges, indicating it's setting beautifully. Now, let's perfect that yolk. For a lovely runny yolk, cover the pan with a lid for 1 to 2 minutes. The steam will gently cook the top without flipping. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply continue cooking uncovered for an additional minute or so. The egg is perfectly done when the whites are completely opaque and the yolk reaches your desired consistency. It's all about personal preference. Your perfectly cooked egg is ready. Carefully slide it onto a plate using a thin, flexible spatula. Serve it immediately with your favorite toast, avocado, or whatever you desire. Cleaning up is simple too. Once the pan has cooled down, wash it with warm, soapy water. A little scrub will remove any residue, leaving your stainless steel pan ready for its next culinary adventure. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.